Sup, back in every guys, I'm Rail Fan Landing in the blizzard. Once again, here's Amtrak P371 arriving town station Courttown with P42 leader. Trailing is a -8, which is pretty rare. Well, I would say extremely rare for this line. For P42 and the -8, but yeah, here we go. Here he is right now, there he is. Sorry about that, guys. Blowing in my backpack almost. Here he is right now, here he is. That's a weak horn. Horn. One weak horn, I tell you what. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. Sidewalk right over here. There's less snow. Quite a nasty weather outside, I'll tell you what. Sorry about that, guys. Trying my best here. Blowing the last couple people up on the train. Let's see. They closing doors, maybe. Sure hope. It's the last train I'm gonna catch today, guys, because it's wind chill at 10 or something like that. Pretty close to -10. It's pretty chilly out. I tell you what. Pretty cold out. Like he's finally closing doors, so let's see. In a second, I don't want to freeze my hand out. Feeling he's gonna be good to go. Bad horn, but it's still pretty cool to see P42. It's still in service. There we go. One frozen horn, holy moly. That's bad. Sounds like a barge coming in. Like a barge or boat. Sounds awful. Here's the -8, there it goes. There's the -8, and there it goes. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landing out.